Number 10 in the GCSE 9 to 1 paper, June 2019 to H. Mary travels to work by train every day. The probability that her train will be late on any day is 0.15. Complete the probability tree for Thursday and Friday. So the option for the train, the two options for the train that we have here are either late or not late. So they are equally likely to happen. This is why we say 1 minus 0.15 is equal to 0.85. So the probability that the train will not be late is 0.85. This is for Thursday. For Friday, if on Thursday it was late, on Friday it might be late or it might be not late. So 0.15 and 0.85 for not late. If the choice was on Thursday not late, then on Friday it might be late or it might not be late. So if it was late, then the probability is 0.15, and if it wasn't late, the probability is 0.85. Now let us read the branches. Late, late, so LL, or late, not late, LN, not late, late, NL, and not late, NN. Completing or going to part B, work out the probability that her train will be late on at least one of these 2 days. At least one of these 2 days means that it might be late on Thursday and Friday, and it might be late on Thursday but not on Friday, and it might not be late on Thursday but late on Friday. This is what they mean by at least one. So at least one means one or more. So this is why we chose the least or LL, LN, and NL. Now the probability for each one of these, so the probability of, let me write it here, it's LL, so more than 1, and here you have at least 1, so it's late, not late, and not late, late. So we multiply the probabilities and we add the choices. So these are the choices that might happen. So it might be late, late, or it might be late, not late, or it might not be late and late. So the answer is going to be 0.2775 if this is not clear. Or you can use another method and say that since the probability of all of these happening is 1, you can subtract the 1 minus the one which is not possible to happen, which is the complement of all these 3 that are happening. So this is NN, 1 minus the product of not late, not late, is going to be the same answer, which is equal to 0.2775.